Hello, coffee aficionados, and welcome back to Coffee Lovers Hub. Today, we're diving into a topic that'll light up your world: coffee-infused candles, aroma and ambiance. Get ready for a sensory journey that combines the magic of coffee with the cozy embrace of candlelight. To kick things off, let's delve into the aromatic alchemy of coffee-infused candles. These candles are more than just wax and wick. They're an artful blend of fragrance and ambiance. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification button to always know when we post such informative coffee videos. With each whiff, you'll be transported to your favorite coffee shop. Ever wondered how these candles work their magic? It's all about the brewing process. Coffee grounds, essential oils, and wax. These are the secret ingredients that make coffee-infused candles so enchanting. And when you light them up, it's like having a barista in your living room. Now, let's talk about creating the perfect coffee ambiance in your space. Coffee and candles go hand in hand. Whether it's your morning coffee ritual or a cozy evening, these candles set the stage for a delightful experience. Imagine sipping your brew while basking in the gentle glow of a coffee-infused candle. Bliss, right? Feeling crafty? We've got a treat for you: DIY coffee-infused candles. With a few simple ingredients and some creativity, you can brew your own coffee-infused candles at home. Plus, it's a fantastic way to personalize your coffee haven. Candles make wonderful gifts, and coffee-infused candles are no exception. Whether it's a birthday, a housewarming, or just because, these candles show you care. And when your loved ones unwrap that aromatic surprise, their hearts will be warmed, just like your favorite brew. Did you know there are coffee candle collections out there? It's like a coffee lover's dream come true. From different coffee bean scents to unique packaging, these collections are a treasure trove for candle and coffee enthusiasts. It's not hoarding, it's a curated collection. As we wrap up our aromatic adventure, remember that coffee and candlelight create a magical blend of comfort and coziness. Whether you're winding down or igniting your creativity, these candles are your aromatic companions. So, next time you enjoy your coffee, consider adding a little candlelight to your brew. In conclusion, coffee-infused candles are more than just decor. They're an olfactory journey into the heart of coffee culture. If you found this aromatic adventure inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow coffee-scented dreamers. Until our next aromatic rendezvous on Coffee Lovers Hub, may your coffee be aromatic, and your candles always cozy.